Good morning, guys. How you doing?
Taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up tonight. Got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs. Want you here every day. Can't get enough.
Good morning, guys. How you doing? I just got informed last night that I'm going to have a vacation very soon, a couple of days, and I have to admit it's one of the most impromptu vacations I've ever gotten. I like to have my things like sorted out like months before because I'm not someone that works under pressure. I tend to forget one thing or the other when I'm working under pressure. But like right now, so I woke up this morning, I'm writing down things that I need to do, okay, my plan, things I need to get sorted out before the actual day. I'm still going to be working. It's not like I'm going on leave. So I need to figure out how to balance my time so that nothing is left unturned. So I have to get to the supermarket today. I have to get like toiletries, like tampons and all them stuff. Biscuits, Ribena, Freshio. I need to get batteries for my microphone because it's really dying slowly. So I need to get that stuff and get conflicts and body oils and perfumes and deodorant. A couple of them are running out. I need to like replace them so that it's not when it has finished I'll start going her tasket at no. On this page here, I have my to-do lists, things that have to get done before the actual day in no particular order. So if I get one done, I'm taking it off. If I get that one done, I'm taking it off. I have to pick out, yeah. I should propose with me. Where's the passport? Is it with me? It's really not even bothered. Yeah, so here you go. Yeah, this is your health insurance thing, okay? So guys, so that's the plan. I have to get like enough cash. So I don't know if I have to go to the bank tomorrow to get cash because the PS around here said they don't have new naira notes. And if you know anything about vacationing is that you need to have enough cash in because anything can go wrong to misplace your suitcases and you have to now tip them to get your boxes back. So I need to get enough cash. Probably I still can ask my parents this evening if they have enough cash. I can give them back, but like I don't really want to go to bank tomorrow. And I need to print and photocopy all my necessary documents that I need. Finish my task at work as well. Charge my power bank, my AirPod, arrange my laptop bag, my content bag as well. And maybe do my nails. I'm not sure. Maybe if I have chance, it can be like the night before. Like I'll just get my nails done, edit content because I have like content that I haven't even properly finished editing. I'm on this roll, like I'm on this content roll. Like I've been dropping content like every two weeks, and I'm like, but at the same time, I'm suffering for it because of my throat. I don't know if you can hear my voice; it's a bit cracked. So like each time I'm talking, it's like they're grinding each other and everything, and it's really not cool. Cause I'm actually drinking water as I'm making this vlog right now. So I have to like get my shoes if I'm going to wear shoes. No, I'm not. So I'm going back like slippers, slides, handbag, like sling bag like that. And that'll be it. Just charge my stuff, charge my light, charge my batteries, and pack my stuff together, and that will be it for now. So like I have a meeting like very soon, guys, so I have to actually dip and get ready, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Maybe it's too soon. Yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose? Gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight. Cause I'm over with some friends and I'm over sending texts and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone. So just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be to my house. Better get here fast, cause I really need to feel you right now. Cause I know you're ADD, but just focus here on me, cause I need to feel you here tonight. Yeah, we're having people here, and we'll get a little weird, so just come meet me here tonight.
I even out of content ideas, not to worry, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate over 100 video ideas in less than 10 minutes. So it just sounds like something interested in, or definitely interested in. Just everyone stick around and keep watching the video. Have fun today. So guys, hi. So time is currently 11:31 and I'm done filming. I'm so excited and proud of myself. I ain't gonna tell what happened, yeah. So in this video, and the devil was fighting, but he did not succeed. My nails came off. See, these two guys, they came off while trying to set up my camera on the tripod, and I'm like, what? Like they came just snap like, "Pah," and I'm like, yikes, what's happening? And you guys, the heat was hitting. I did not know when the girl packed her hair back into it. When I was trying to give flawless skincare, but the heat, it was too much. Like I don't even know if my AC is working. Like I have my AC and my fan on, but at the same time, nothing is touching me. Or is it internal heat? God forbid. What am I even saying? But like I'm so excited now. I have like 2 hours to spare. So I'm gonna like clean my face and let me see if I can start editing. Yeah, this content shouldn't take me one day to edit this content because I already have everything. I already have my music, like what I'll normally tell you, get your music, get everything intact before you start filming. So once you're done, just know that easy peasy, shimmy smishy. Like my energy is pumped. Let me just start taking up this, guys. Oh god. Freedom. Yeah, okay, so my eyes are like close to normal, and that's it, guys. I'm just really excited, but let me just check up with you guys before I say goodbye till tomorrow. So I might probably, so you guys, the girl is officially done with filming and I'm pumped because I finished like 2 hours than I thought I would finish. This is like 11:33 and I finished like around 11:20. But I need to take some time to like rest, get my voice back, and like I took out my lashes already, as you can see, because the girl's eyes needed to breathe since morning. We've tried. So like that's it. Like this video was like I just had a feeling like let me just pray about it because I felt like I was gonna have like a bit of complications and I did, but thank God I prayed about it. You guys see my nails, they came off. How? I do not know. I was trying to put my phone onto my tripod, you know that grasping thingy, yeah? And while I was trying to put my phone and trying to put it inside, I started to stand there like psh. I'm like my nail, I'm like Jesus. And they're so painful. And I'm like, okay, no problem. I guys, I didn't even know when I ended up packing my hair because the heat was hitting. Like I have my AC and my fan on, as you can see at the back, but I was just sweating. Like you could see, like it's dripping down my neck. I'm like, what kind of thing? Someone think I'm in the trenches, but anyhow, I shall pack the shirt. They understand that I can be a fine girl, but they understand that the weather is hot. Yeah, we're not in winter. I don't even in summer. I don't even know what to wear in shirt, but that's the plan. But like I'm really happy that I was able to finish this guy before I thought I would. And let me see if we can start editing it. It shouldn't take me one day to finish editing it because the clip should not be up to a 20 minutes video. Oh god, I still have makeup on. So like that's the plan. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So right now the girl's trying to eat. Have I packed? No. I have like few hours left. I have things I'm going to wear here on my bed and my suitcase here as well. Like all this suitcase like more of like hand luggage. So it's on my bed, but I haven't packed anything. But everything I'm going to be needing inside my box is on my bed. It's a hot mess. You guys see, a very hot mess here, and I'm currently eating because the girl has not eaten today. I'm sure, guys. And I'm also watching Avatar Korra. I have this habit of eating and watching something. It's bad, but so the video I filmed yesterday, you guys, I was able to finish editing it today, and I'm like, yes, girl. Like that video was so easy to edit, and I don't know why, but I'm glad. I'm just show you guys. Yeah, we're done editing it. Yeah, and you can see it's currently rendering. Yeah, so I have like 1 hour plus left, so that's why I'm going to use this that 1 hour plus to just pack my things and get my things sorted out. So that's the plan. Yeah, I have done my thorough cleaning. I did it in the middle of the night because I couldn't sleep for some reasons. I did my thorough cleaning in the middle of the night. I did my video today as well. Almost partially finished my office work today in the afternoon during working hours. All that's left is to pack my things in my box and just clean up everywhere else in my room, because I don't know, when trying to pack for things, I tend to scatter things again that I already arranged. So I have to arrange it again, but not do total cleaning, if that makes sense. So while this is rendering, I'm going to be eating and packing my things in my box, and that's the plan. So that's basically it. This nails, I might not taking everything off. I'll just do it quickly tomorrow morning. Yeah, because I'm leaving later in the day. Maybe I can just get it done like quickly, or just take out everything. I don't even like stress. But that's the plan. I have packed all my documents, my cards, everything I'll need in like my other handbag, and I'm going to carry it in my hand. So I have like my handbag, I have my laptop bag because the girl's gonna be working still, and my box. So those are the three things I'm going to be carrying. So let me just get on with this, guys. Okay, this food is getting cold. Let me just finish it.
I don't know what I would do if I heard your voice across the room at some party in some house with music that's way too loud. I would probably act all cool and nice, try to be seen by your eyes, secretly hoping you notice me, wishing you know it's somebody. So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. Before we fell out of love and we parted ways, we got too used to fighting, all we did was surviving. Maybe we can laugh at what we used to say, analyze all of the games that we played, spend way too many nights wiping tears from our tired eyes. So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. I've been dreaming about you again, so someone else hold your hands. Look like you were more than friends and he loved you better than me. But even though I do know why, we're feeling better living separate lives. I'll be wondering what it'll be like if you and I would start over, start over. So let's talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We can try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If you feel the same when we're
So for my hair, I've
sober,
straightened
then
my
maybe
two.
we can start
I'm going to wear
over.
one tomorrow, but the other one I'm not going to wear tomorrow is already in my suitcase. I've got to show you guys that I packed all my deodorant and little things inside that blue bag. Like someone putting everything inside, the tampons, everything, liners, sanitary towels inside that bag, deodorant, so anything that has to bathroom, lady care, skincare, in that bag. I packed all my tech stuff, my tripod, LED light in a different bag as well. That's it guys for this vlog. Thanks for watching up until now. The girl is tired. I need to go sleep. Okay, this is like past 12 already. Thank you for watching up until now in this vlog. See you in the next vlog guys. Bye.